17. The growth of new social networking site can be modeled by the exponential function n, where n is the number of people, and n of t is equal to 1.1 t. So write the equation in the inverse. So first of all, before we do this, we need to make sure we understand the growth formula. The growth formula is the end amount is going to be always equal to the starting amount times the growth factor to the power of the number of growth cycles. So in color here I have the exponential expression. So here, if we take a look at the expression here, our growth factor is 1.1, and the growth cycles is t. So the number of times we use that base is what we would call our growth cycle. So the growth cycle is going to be measured in t days. And so that means that the starting amount is not shown there. So the starting amount in this case is 1. We're starting with 1, and we're going to end up with n at the end. So part A says, write the equation in the inverse. So I have n is equal to 1.1 to the power t. So we have our base. We have our base here. We have our exponent. And we have our end amount, or the answer to the exponent. And we're going to write this in log form using the definition of log. So we're going to end up with log. Let's get rid of this. So we're going to end up with using our log. So log. The log is going to have a base of 1.1. The n is our argument. And then the answer to the log is going to be our exponent t. Part B says, how long will it take to the nearest day for the number of users to exceed 1 million? So we're going to rewrite this then. It's going to be log. The base is going to be 1.1. The n amount is given as 1 million. And we're solving for t. So plugging this into my calculator, I'm going to first of all use change of base formula. So t is equal to log of 1 million over log of 1.1. Plugging this into the calculator, we end up with log 1 million divided by log 1.1. And we end up with 144.95 days, so about 145 days. So this is an exponential growth problem, which can be put into its log form by using the inverse. And the growth formula is the one that I've shown you up here.